Eva Trades.
Hello, and welcome to the Risk Management Trade Simulation Series, where I'm practicing my strategy, trying to get better at my entries. This is the simulated day of December 27th, and we're going to go practice trade right now. And I am not a financial advisor. Everything I do and say here is for entertainment purposes and educational purposes. If you can find some educational content in this, that would be great. Then my goal is accomplished. So I am trading my own strategy that I've developed, and I haven't been doing so well in the market lately. The last couple of weeks, I am up overall in my progress and on the road to $1 million. It's just that, I've been kind of lackluster. So I thought I'd sharpen my skills a little bit, do a little bit of simulator trading and live stream it while I'm at it. Why not? So I'm going to upload the recording of this to YouTube once I'm done here. So that way anybody that misses the live stream can still watch the trading day. So here we are, December 27th at 6:25 in the morning, and I'm going to push play right now. So we have 5 minutes to go till the market opens. So I'm going to break down the three stocks here that I pulled off the gap scan for this day. These were the three leading gappers, and we have on the larger time frames. Let me get those up here for you. So this is the 15-minute and the hourly time frame. So we have a 15-minute lower high and lower low. So we have a 15-minute downtrend, which means hourly consolidation and a pivot here. So getting below $2. Historically, I don't do so well on stocks that trade below 2, but sometimes I can hit them pretty good. All right, so smaller time frame. You see what that looks like on the 5-minute. So we've already bounced off of that pivot kind of here. We back tested it and went higher. But we'll see if we can bounce from there again. We have a trend line here. It's kind of hard to see that. Okay. And I don't know if this is where that one's going to be, but I was just checking to see if it was maybe a falling wedge. And yeah, maybe more of a channel. Right there. So we're looking for a well, we got some good volume coming in on that 5 minutes. So bears definitely broke the previous support. So we may bounce from here, but I wouldn't expect too much because the bears are in full control right now on these shorter term time frames. Hold on, I need to pause this. My clocks are out of sync here. Got to get them back in sync. So yeah, basically on ATNF, what I'm looking for is a higher low on the hourly time frame. So because I'm looking for an hourly higher low to form, because we're pulling back on the hourly, what we're going to look for is a 5-minute trend change back to the bulls. That would be a sign for us that the hourly higher low has been set and that we might see a higher high. So right now we have a 5-minute downtrend looking for a 5-minute uptrend. So on a bounce, if we bounce from here, anything below 206 is a lower high. I want to see the bulls give us a lower high, pull back, find a higher low, and then break through 206 for a higher low and a higher high. And that is a trend change on the 5-minute. That would tell us our hourly higher low is set. And we are likely to see further upside from there. These are probabilities I'm talking, not definites, not absolutes, just probabilities. And those are the probabilities. Okay, so that's what we're looking for on ATNF with, I got to push play. My clocks are all synced up. Yeah. So, okay, we have 3 minutes to go until the market opens. Okay, second leading gapper. I actually don't have up here. The third leading gapper is CEI, and it's an hourly inside bar. After an hourly downtrend, we're putting in a really nice bounce here. trading up above the EMAs, pulling back on the 15-minute. So we're looking for a 15-minute higher low. Anything above 263 is a higher low on the 15-minute. We pulled back more than 50%, so I'm not expecting a higher low and a higher high. What I am expecting is, if we bounce from here, a lower high in equilibrium, quite possibly, which would be an inside bar on the hourly time frame. I don't really trade these larger time frames. I typically trade the smaller ones. So what I'm looking for is a 5-minute move here, and we'll see how we trade on the 5-minute inside of this hourly inside bar. Right now, bulls attempting to change the trend back to themselves. That didn't come out quite right. Anyways, we have a double bottom here. So you can see it on the hourly time frame. Nice little boot looking pattern here. I call this a boot in a breakout. So it's just a tightening range. And then we broke out of it. And so now I'd like to see a little more follow through on this bounce before we pull back and then get a higher low on the 5-minute and a higher high. So that's what I'm looking for there, I think, on CEI. One minute till the market opens. SOXS is a more expensive stock. I don't typically trade it very well. I've tried in the past. I don't do that great on it, so I'm not sure I want to trade it, but there wasn't anything else really to put up here, so this is the one I'm going to just keep here for now. It is a 15-minute uptrend, so it's not like the others. It's a little different story here. We have higher lows and higher highs on the 15. We have another higher low right here. We need to see a little more follow through on this higher high. We've broke 442. Plenty of room on the hourly time frame. High of yesterday, 41.97. So looking good on the hourly time frame. And there's that follow through, 15-minute higher high. Looking good, bulls in full control on SOXS. And the market's open. I'm going to watch the candle ranges here, see if I need to adjust my stops before placing any trades. If I could trade right now, I would probably buy this support right here at $1.89 on ATNF, but the simulator does not allow me to trade in the first minute of the day, and that would have been a great trade right there. So my best bet here is that as we move up, that possibly I could buy a pullback here. We got about 10 seconds till I can trade. That's a heck of a pullback. Okay, I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy it twice. Pulled back enough for me to want to buy it twice, but my stop loss is in, so I'm risking $37. Let's get that break above $2 here. Break the high of day. There we go, coming up to it. And I'm selling half of my position right there. And I'm going to sell the other half there. So just like that, I am at my daily goal. Now, why can't we see momentum like that in the stock market of recent? Because we haven't seen that. I have not been seeing that kind of momentum. And that would be nice. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is just crazy. I'm buying the dip at 221 and 219 and down at 214 there. Pretty big drop. Yeah, that was a big short squeeze. I'm going to sell part of my position there just to cover myself, because I'm going to sell a little bit more of it. So I'm down to 1 now. Brought my cost basis down to 213. I was in a little high on those first two, so now I feel better. SOXS. Yeah, I'm going to buy SOXS off of $41. Throw in some stop losses here. Not there. Oop. Well, I don't like that so much. Selling that. Okay. So I'm adding to ATNF there off of that line, that previous resistance. Stop losses got to go down somewhere down there, I guess. I'm going to get back out of that. Kind of looking for a move down to the volume weighted average price, but it's not going to give it to me, is it? CEI. Okay, SOXS. There we go. That was nice. I'm going to sell half on ATNF there. Get out of CEI. That was a pretty good failure. Uh-oh. I just accidentally shorted CEI. Wouldn't have let me do that in the live trading. Okay, scalping SOXS there. Whoops. So I'm all out on ATNF for now. I'm in SOXS looking for that move up to $42. Wow, that was quite a move on ATNF. Nice on SOXS. It's amazing. I'm not usually able to make good money on SOXS, so nice scalp opportunities. Let's see if we get a breakthrough 230 here on ATNF. I'm adding for the break, and there we go. Nice. Selling it right there, all out, ATNF. That was a beautiful trade. And there's the failure. Charts are freezing up a little bit. Makes it kind of hard to see what's going on. Well, on a day like this, I FOMO'd in a little bit on SOXS. I was scalping it. I wasn't holding my trades like I got out of this one just before it shot up. This one here, kind of the same story. So still need to work on some things. I'm looking at buying a dip off of 41.20 on SOXS. That might not get down there. I guess I'll just go ahead and buy it now then. Whew. I'm getting in ATNF there. CEI. Multiple trades at the same time. There we go, CEI and SOXS. I'm getting out. There we go. Very nice. Let's see if SOXS is going to break through the high. I'm in it twice. Selling half. Coming up to 42, and I'm going to sell it there. Awesome. I'm in ATNF. There we go. And taking a $30 loss on ATNF. Coming up through 42 now on SOXS. There we go. Selling a partial, selling another partial, selling the rest. Boy, SOXS is strong. Of course, I say that. Yeah, I'm going to get back out of it. Well, maybe I'll hold it for a bit here. Better get out. Looks like it might drop. I'm long ATNF, but it's just not. Sold it for a small profit. I'm long ATNF at $2. And I'm adding at that previous support and previous resistance, now support. Selling a couple of my positions there. SOSXS looking pretty strong. I'm in it. Adding on the way up. Really nice move. Selling, and I'm all out. Buying ATNF off of $2 there. Got my stop losses in at 196. I'm in SOXS on that pullback. And I add it to SOXS right there. I think I'm going to hold ATNF over here and just see what we get. CEI looking like it might want to break out here. So I'm going to sell half of SOXS. I'm going to sell ATNF, half of it anyways. And I'm back out of CEI. Still holding on SOXS. Looking for the break through the high. I'm going to add to it there. I'm going to sell ATNF because we're coming against that resistance. Selling half of SOXS. And I'm going to get out the other half right there. We have an equilibrium on SOXS with a high, low, lower, high, looking for a higher low. Anything above 4206 is a higher low. And we broke it. And we broke it good. There's a nice bounce opportunity off the off the EMA. We have a double bottom. Wow, look at this. I'm buying the dip on ATNF there. I'll pull back to the volume weighted average price, which is the dotted line. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. I'm going to add to this as it's moving up. Where's our resistance at? Up here. So we're right at it. See if we break it. I'm going to sell half just to book the profit. And there's the break. And I'm selling the other half there. So I'm doing pretty good so far in the day. I'm thinking about hanging her up. We could still see a move here, but I'm kind of just looking for a lower high on the 5-minute. But the fact that I'm losing my voice has me thinking I kind of want to maybe go rest my voice for a bit. Still got to do some live trading coming up in a few hours in the market, so I don't want to go hoarse. I will be live streaming at 5 a.m. Pacific time. We have one more trading day left to this week. Yeah, it's anticipated that we'll get a lower high on this. We pulled back enough on this pullback, more than 50%. So I would not expect a break straight through the highs. However, this is ATNF. It's the leading gapper in the market. It's possible we could break straight through. I mean, I've seen it happen. Momentum stocks, they will do that sometimes. But as far as technical analysis goes, the most likely scenario is that we top out somewhere below 235. We pull back, hopefully form a higher low and then a higher high and break through 235. That would be the most likely scenario. The most likely bullish scenario. A bearish scenario would be we top out here, we pull back, and at some point the bulls break the low of this previous higher low here. SOXS now consolidating on the 5-minute time frame. We have a 1-minute downtrend. Nice bounce off this support. Which support was that? It was down here. So yeah, that was beautiful. I missed that trade right there. Well, where is today is the simulated day of December 27th. And I am up $163 on this simulated day. So I have 2 nice green days in a row. All right, so my purpose of doing this, like I said, is just to practice my strategy so that come tomorrow morning, I'm ready to trade. Maybe I'll do a little bit better than what I have been doing. Maybe the market will give us a little something more to work with. But anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to come by and check out what I got going on here. And I hope this helps you. And if it does, give me a thumbs up or a like or whatever they do in YouTube land. And I'll talk to you next time right here at EVA Trades. Bye-bye.